Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching from. Welcome back to the channel. We are dedicated to taking you through as many drawings using AutoCAD as possible. So today we'll be focusing on this image, still on Star's practice book, and we aim on going through every drawing in the book. So stay tuned. This is just the beginning. Alright, let's get to AutoCAD and get drawing. So we start with line 8 units and then okay, just a minute. Alright, okay, sorry about that. Let's try to delete this and start it this way. So I'm starting from the bottom. 16 units and then let's offset it by 1 unit. That's all. Right. We have line of the 8. So starting from the center to the right 4 units, then from center to left also 4 units. We select right, select the line, right click, move, give the direction. So the distance to the top is 10. Yeah. And then from the top we have a line of 6 units, 0.8 units below the top line. The 6 units straight to the left, straight to the right. Move it 0.8. Right, straightforward. You can just fix this. So, like I said in previous videos, once you use a command, you can press enter immediately. Repeat the same command. Okay, so we apply Tantan radius here. Okay, and the radius 12. Oh, okay, sorry about that. I think I know what they are looking for. Okay, so let's go for center radius 12. Move it up by 5 units. really like this. Let's go for arc. So depending on the order in which we select the point, that will give you the direction of the curvature of the arc. Alright, so the arc I'm using is start end radius. So you starting point, end point, and then the radius. Okay, and the issue. Yes, like this. There you have it. Now, let's get circle with radius. Radius 0.3 for diameter 0.6 at the center. So I'm using center radius, so I'm going for 0.3. Move it up 5 units. We copy, move it up 1.8 units. The next, the circle of radius is 0.24. This is interesting. So from the image, you can notice that the height of the subsequent circles are not given. But if you look at it closely, it sort of looks like they are intercept. How do I explain it? Let me put it. Let me just show you by example. So from the image, the top of the next cylinder, or should I say bar, it's in line with the bottom of the first circle. So what we will do is get the center here, radius 0.24. Move it from here then we move it again now. The distance between the centers is 1 unit. Alright, so there you have it. Now we just copy this. And apply the same technique for the bottom. This was just to guide me to actually get what I wanted, so we can delete it immediately after. Right, so the second one has the radius 0.18. 0.18. Then remove it to the left by 1 unit. Copy. Sorry about that. Alright, let's just use this. Then the final bar has the closest radius 0.12. This looks like it's more efficient. So we just move these from the center 1 unit out. Yeah, that's more efficient than what we tried to do at first. Now we clean. I believe we all agree that drawing these was a bit of headache, and we don't want to do that second time. So what we do here is let's just select all these, press J and enter, join them. So yeah, okay. So each one is no longer a combination of different lines, they have all been joined into one. Then we just select those we want at the other side, that's at the right hand side. Mirror. enter. Alright, so there you have it, image 17 or drawing 17 on Source Tabs Group. Thank you for your time. I'll see you in the next video.